All right, boys, today we're going to go through a quick 5-minute mobility sequence you can add into your morning routine to get yourself feeling nice and loose and ready to go for the day. To begin with, we're going to jump into a can opener. All a can opener is lying on your back. The knee comes up, you drive your knee out to the side, and then you roll your leg around to your starting position, going for 30 seconds. As you go along, you're going to find that you'll be able to get your knee closer and closer to the ground as you go along. I'm very stiff through the hips, so this is something that I do quite regularly. At the 30-second mark, switching to the other leg, driving up, going through the same process. I'm a little bit looser on this side just because this is my dominant leg. It's very important to make sure that you're doing it on both sides though, and working on your overall mobility. Next up, we've got internal and external hip rotation. So sitting up, and then we're going to just be driving our legs to one side. Then switching over, changing to the other side. Secret to this is getting your knees all the way to the ground, trying to keep your body nice and upright, facing straight ahead the whole way through. Don't lean your body to the side. If you don't quite have the range of motion, just stop where your range sits. So keeping the back nice and straight. From here, we're going to jump up onto our knees and go into a hip flexor. We're just going to keep the movement moving whilst we're going along. At the 30-second mark, then we'll go into the same leg, hamstring. If you're feeling good and you want to go into a deeper stretch, you just place your hands down in front of yourself. At the 30-second mark, go into your hamstring, slight bend in your knee, point the toes, reaching forward. Reaching forward. As you go along, you'll be able to get a little bit deeper into this stretch. And switching legs. Doing the opposite side into your hip flexor. Keep driving those hips forward. Like I said before, if you're feeling pretty good, you can go into a deeper hip flexor stretch. Just like before, once we get to the 30-second mark, heading into our hamstring stretch. Sitting up into our hamstring, gently reaching forward, slight bend in your knee, reaching and gently leaning into it. And next up, we've got your groin stretch. So going into a traditional groin stretch, making sure your feet are placed together. Depending on your range of motion, depends on how far out your feet will need to be. But the key driver is keeping those feet together. From here, straighten that back out, and we're just gently pushing down using our elbows. Going for 30 seconds. And there you have it, guys. There's a quick 5-minute mobility routine to chuck into your morning. This is a beginner level. As we go along, I'm going to chuck you guys some harder and harder routines to execute. Be sure to add this one into your morning routine and let me know how it goes.